Did you know your dog can sense your emotions better than most humans? Dogs are emotional detectives. They read your facial expressions, body language, even your tone of voice, all without you saying a word. When you're angry or stressed, your dog can tell by the way you move. Quick, jerky motions or a tense posture might make them anxious. But when you're calm and happy, your dog picks up on that too. A relaxed body and soft voice make them feel safe and loved. Studies show dogs even recognize human emotions just by looking at our faces. Yep, your pup knows when you're having a rough day. So the next time you're feeling off, remember, your dog sees it, feels it, and they're always there for you.